Hey guys, welcome to Forex Family Empire. We're back again with another video. It's your boy K Smalls. Yeah, guys, I just want to give you feedback, quick feedback. Just gonna take 2 minutes of your time. First of all, I just want to say thank you for 500 plus subscribers on this channel. Let's take this channel to 1,000 subscribers. Nonetheless, we've analyzed gold and US30 together. Let's see where the market is right now. So remember, I just want to play the video on where the market is, where we analyze this gold and where it is right now. This is US30 basically. So this is what I said. I posted this video, I think, how many days ago? So this is like, it doesn't show me when I posted this video, but it should be like a day ago or 2 days ago because I'm seeing comments that came in 2 days ago. So this today is a weekend. So let's play and hear what I was saying on this chart. US30 guys, I've analyzed US30 guys. I was busy talking to my brother right now. So I was saying I'm seeing a buy. So already I've analyzed it. I took a position. Already I see. So I took a position exactly on this line, guys. Hectic, hectic. So I took a position exactly on this line. It just came and touched it because this is exactly what I'm telling you about gold. Look, I drew a trend line there by gold. So we saw a gold hitting maybe first line. Let me just draw it like this so that I can finish this video quickly. So gold basically did something like this. So this is the first one, and then the second one. I'm just putting these shapes. So this is the second one. So, but on the third touch, guys, the third touch is always the charm, is the one that I like. So it basically gave us a third touch here, but it didn't give us, and it also gave us a nice reversal. But if we were not there, then you didn't take the trade. But I saw we're gonna see another touch there. So on this touch, you can see it's also giving us another entry on this touch. So this is another entry on this touch. And then the way I analyze this thing is that our TP basically it's up there, up there because I've been putting in the lines as well. As you can see, this is our biggest zone. So we are basically um, ranging to go to this level here to touch it for the third time here as well. Same setup that I'm seeing on a USDT is the same setup that I'm seeing on gold. So guys, don't forget if you like this video, subscribe, like, and yeah, I'll record more of this and yes, guys. As you saw, this is the chart that I've analyzed. So I just opened a new account here with Hanko Trade. I'm going to test this um, broker, guys. So where were we? Okay, this is trade 245. So basically, as you saw, we took a trade from here, from this level. I'm just gonna zoom in just to show you. Exactly, I didn't take out anything from those analyses. Remember, I just put in one, two, three. Where did I say our TP is? Our TP was up there where if I put it on D1, we can see that our TP is somewhere around this line. So we are still ranging to this line and we're approaching NFP. So next week around the 4th of November, so 4th of November is going to be NFP. So make sure that we're going to be seeing a huge sell on NFP. It's just my analysis at the moment. But yeah, make sure if you want to know what I'll be doing on NFP day, follow this channel, subscribe, be part of those 500 subscribers. We want to take this account to what 1,000 subscribers so far. So but basically this is what happened. So we are ranging, we're trying to reach to this level here. Let me see on H4. The trade was nice, guys. As you can see, it touched one, two, three, and then it went up. It went up, came back. Remember, the market will never go up and not come back and take out people who entered. So here they were trying to come back and take out people who move stop losses above entries because they knew that okay, a lot of people will come in here. They saw a breakout, retest, and start entering their positions here, and then it went up with them. But they said, okay, let's come back and take out all those people who put their stop losses here before we continue with our trend. So the trend is your friend. Let's wait for the trend to finish. So I'm telling you on this channel that the trend is going to finish on this zone here. So once we touch this line, make sure you start looking for your buys, guys. I mean yourselves. Don't buy from this zone, guys, because yeah, you're going to get wrecked. So make sure when you get to this level, look for yourselves. Look for yourselves. I want to make sure that you're going to kill NFP with me. Once we reach this zone here, we look for sells. So we might see maybe market breaking out from this zone. We might see something like this, and then it hits this line and even go up from here. But we're gonna be looking for sells from here, and then we're gonna come back inside here when it's time for NFP and CPI. So we might be coming back within inside and hit these levels, and then before we push to the upside. So because once we see a breakout and then we see a lot of bars closing, daily bars or H4 bars closing outside this level here, we know that okay, the market is trying to push up and take out a lot of people or a lot of individual. We can even come and touch this point here. So but once we touch this point, the first selling zone is this one, the second selling zone is this one, guys, but this one is the major. But you see, the analysis that we made played out correctly the way we wanted.